Hey, good morning here. You got Nick with Nick's Yard Care out of the Birmingham, Alabama area. And happy Halloween of 2023. It's a cold morning down here, 43 degrees. 81 yesterday, and it dropped to 55 within an hour. I didn't like that. But I was going to show y'all something today. Y'all remember I had the mowing go. Yeah, I regret selling that. Should have kept it. My business changed a little bit this year. And I needed a trailer, and I thought I'll just sell that, just quick cash. I regret it, yes. But there was something I found that I wished I had known about ahead of time, and I would have never bought the mow and go because it's cheaper and it does what I needed to do. But we'll see how long it lasts. But this is a cheap alternative to it. It'll hold a 21-inch or 25-inch mower with no issues, no modifications. 28 or a 30-inch mower it will hold if you modify the outer racks on it. You'll see, and I'll show it to you here. It is, I bought it at Harbor Freight. It is the Hallmaster for a mobility scooter wheelchair. It's got the tie down points. It's made out of steel on the bottom that connects to the receiver, and everything else is aluminum wrap, so you're not picking nothing up. And that's kind of where I'm at. I've hurt myself. In my side, I've done too much, and I've hurt myself. But that's part of it. And this right here is just light as it can be. Now I've got an entire ramp to push, to push it up and down the 28-inch or 30-inch. You will have to modify this right here. I'll suggest the opposite side, though. To me, that would be the best way to do it. But something to think about. It was right here. It was $189 plus tax. But if you got a Harbor Freight near you and you get the coupons, that would work out wonderful for you if you could get the 25% off. They don't sell them complete. You do have to put them together, and it takes between an hour and an hour and a half. It's a lot of nuts and bolts. But I've been happy with it so far. I am here, I don't know, the next couple of weeks, maybe the first of the year. I got reflectors here. I will come up on the bar or behind it or somehow. I want to come up on each side, about right there, and put brake and tail lights on it. That wires right into my pigtail. Since it's going to be staying with it quite a while. But that's what I got, guys. Hopefully I earned your subscription. Hey, if not, that means I got to try a little harder. Sorry about not getting a lot of videos out. I am going to start working on those again, but it's just been me, and it was a hard year this year. And now things are lightening up. So hopefully everything, we can get going again, and I draw more people into the channel, and I appreciate all the ones that have been sticking around and helping us continually to grow. Hey, God bless y'all, and let's get on. I got to get out here and get this mowing done. I got 5 yards today, and I'm going to use this. This is the bigger yard. I don't know, half-acre of mowing, but biggest yard I've got, and after that, everything gets smaller. So I'll still be home around noon. 1 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I ain't done nothing yet. I just finally got here. It's one of the contract yards I have, so it was an hour's drive here. From here, it's about 25 minutes to the next one, and 20 minutes. It's just hopscotching today. But I'll still be home early. And, hey, God bless y'all, and I appreciate it. Just stick around and like, subscribe, comment. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it, a thumbs up, whichever one you want to do. It doesn't affect me, but it helps my algorithms. And if there's something y'all want to see, if I'm able to do it, message me. We'll see what we can do. All right. Y'all have a wonderful Halloween, and I'll catch you in a day or two.